I received this product at no cost for the purpose of this review. So let's go ahead and open this up and check it all out. All right, so this box was a 12 pack and these are ultra thin LED recessed down lights. So basically in the past you would have can lights where they would actually recess up into your ceiling and then you would screw the bulb in and that would be your can lights. Well, this is basically the new LED way of doing that. You cut a hole in the ceiling and you put these lights, which you would just see this part of the light here, up in that hole. Now, I already have can lights in our home, so these are going to be replacements for those can lights. I'm taking the can lights out and I'm putting these in. To do that, I'm going to use the existing hole that's there and the existing wiring that I have already for my can lights. I'm just basically going to push the can back up into the attic, cut the wires, wire it into these boxes. If you push this little button here, this opens up. And in here you have basically some wire beans or whatever, that's what I call them. But it's kind of like the little twisties, but these you just push in. And then you've got your ground, your neutral, and your live wire that hook up to your existing wiring for whatever lights you have. And again, if you don't already have lights, then that's what this template is for here. So you can cut the holes that you need for your lights in the ceiling, and then these go in. It comes with a manual. The manual is going to go over everything about these. These are adjustable. They actually have a switch here where you can adjust through, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different colors or temperatures of the light. And basically, whichever one of these you set is what the temperature of the light's going to be when you put it in the ceiling. And this is basically all you're going to see without these little tabs. What these tabs do is when you push this up into the ceiling, this is going to go up into your ceiling. You're going to push all of this into your ceiling. Well, these tabs, they bend back like this. You push them through the hole and then they come back down and hold on to the sheetrock or the wood or whatever it is you had to cut that circle into. And they're just going to sit here and hold it in the ceiling like this, shining down. So this is pretty cool. I like the concept. I like the idea. And I love the fact that this doesn't have to be new construction. This can be old construction where you're changing something out and putting these in. But that's enough talking about it. Let me get to work and do it. All right, so that is the difference between the two. The light on the left is the new LED light, and the light on the right is the existing can lights that we had. Figured this was a good comparison here. And as you can see, the LED lights look really, really nice and are very bright. So this is what they look like installed without the light on. With the light, you can't really see the ceiling because they are pretty bright. But without the light, you can see it pretty well. And they just sit up in there nice and pretty. I like the way they look. We had 4 can lights there. And now we have these 4 flush mount LED lights. I think they look great. All right, so I hope this video was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.